Alright, it's 7:25 a.m. The pumpkins have arrived of the Fab Five. And we're patiently waiting to get in because today, Halloweentime officially starts at Disneyland. Well, hello everybody, welcome to Life Disney and Beyond. As you saw, we're here at the gate. And look, we're wearing our Mickey pumpkin shirts.
Thank you to Ink and Paint Co., one of our favorite shops. Literally, I've been buying from them for like 2 years.
The best.
Anyway, so we are waiting to get into the park. Hopefully by like 7:30, 7:40, they're gonna let us in. And it is going to be a mad dash.
A mad dash to the rope.
No, not running, but we're gonna walk very briskly because we want to be the first people on Haunted Mansion, or at least the first group. We want to know what the gingerbread house is gonna be this year. We have no idea.
Katie called me at like 6:30 in the morning today, you guys, going, I got so excited about the gingerbread house, and I'm like, oh my God.
It was the first thing I thought of when I woke up. I was like, what is it gonna be? Because normally we know like a couple weeks in advance. We have no idea.
Yeah, no hints, nothing. But yeah, so we're, like Katie said, we're patiently waiting. Gates are about to open, so the next thing you're gonna see is the mad dash to the rope at Adventureland, where we're gonna wait to get to Haunted Mansion Holiday, which is 19 years old today. It started in 2001 for all you people that are wondering. Yeah, it's been a while. It's
throwing some facts down this early in the morning.
Gotta throw some facts down. So yeah, next thing you're gonna see, like I said, is the mad dash. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. And there they go, running to the ropes. And we're in. Let's go.
We hope you'll find the joy of being young at heart here with us. Thank you. And may you enjoy your day in this magical place called Disneyland.
What if we said ear with us? Look how cute the maps are.
Oh yeah.
Look
New
at
map.
that.
Premieres with the premiere of Halloweentime. And look, we're gonna get a little drive-by, a little flyby.
Blinky Blinky!
Oh, Blinky Blinky! What's up, you guys? Are you ready for Halloween today?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Yes.
So excited.
And look at who's on your head. He's right there.
Oh, I love it. The best part.
Finally, that's our first look at him. All right, Winky. Check you in a little bit. There they go. There they go.
Yay, Kimberly, what's up?
Katie wants to show us something. Not sure what she's going to show us. Oh, look, it's the Poison Apple Stein.
Nobody knows these are over here.
It's the purple version this year for $15.99.
That we're going to get later.
With your choice of fresh grapes or pineapple.
Look at all the jack-o'-lanterns!
Looking so good, all stacked up there, all the goofy faces.
Oh my gosh, I love them.
Here's the new popcorn bucket, refillable till the 31st of October. Look at that. Everybody's really excited about that. All right, we've landed at the Adventureland rope. Everybody's patiently waiting because this is the closest line to get to Haunted Mansion Holiday. So this is usually what this build-up is for here. So Peter 2 has arrived. That means it's official, you guys. Stand by, you guys ready? Here we go! Halloweentime has officially begun, you guys. Peter 2 is ringing it in. Yeah, listen. Got the 2 soundtrack.
Sorry. I love watching the runners.
So you see a blend of runners, speed walkers, and speed strollers. It's kind of a combination of those types.
The runners are the best.
Oh, this is a pretty restrained group. This is a restrained group. This is,
Did you notice though that this is the first time we had it like with a widened Adventureland fully?
Oh,
Did you notice that?
with the Project Stardust entrance is what you're saying.
Project Stardust. I said Product Stardust.
You clearly haven't had enough caffeine.
Halloween.
Even in here, it's a lot easier to navigate with Project Stardust's results.
Does skipping count?
Skipping is okay, because it's a combination.
Yeah, like in Disneyland Fun, the sing-along.
Yeah. And Katie, I said it last year and I'll say it again this year. Jack is back! Jack is back! Some of my favorite cue music. I love the 2 jack-o'-lanterns that are driving the hearse. They're like, hey. Pet Cemetery. Donned with the dark bows. Mr. Skunk's bow is kind of my favorite. I like, yeah, because it's almost like it's on the end of his tail. Morning. You know what's cool is look how this ribbon is intertwined into the shutter. Look at that. That is so cool.
Season screamings.
Season screamings. Look at, we just got in. We were the last ones to get this first run. Wow, look at all the colors.
Dun, 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 dun. Happy holidays, everyone.
All right. The halls have been wrecked.
Twas a long time ago, longer now than it seems, when two holidays collide.
Ladies and gentlemen, 'tis the season for tricks and treating, so please step away from the walls or it's you they'll be eating.
Was the nightmare before Christmas. Not a creature was peaceful.
La 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 la.
Hurry along, as they say. Look alive, Jack Skellington came here from Halloweentime.
There it is. So amazing when that comes back every year, the detail. Can't get enough of that. That's the one thing missing from Haunted Mansion is something in that space right there, so I love when this comes back.
It will float down the beach and keep a close watch on all children. Please. All good ghouls and boys must sit safe in their seats.
Ooh, look at that. That's so cool. Season screamings.
Deranged. And back to your wandering eyes.
On the 13th day of Christmas.
There it is. It's got a 50-year symbol right on the front. That's awesome. They're honoring the mansion's 50th year. That is appreciated. There's Oogie Boogie. There he is. Hey, Jack.
Welcome to my Christmas delight. I have a special present.
Sally.
Look! We've got ourselves a winner here! We love this.
We got the pop-up. Yeah. Here's the last one. Hey, that's cool. I've never got that before.
Really?
Yeah. Another one of my favorite things is that they decorate the NQ over here. I love that. And it's kind of behind a scrim a little bit, behind the gate. Look at that. That's amazing. And yet another bow at the end. Looks like they did more to this year, too.
My Christmas present. Hurry back. Hurry back.
Merry Christmas, one and all.
Thank you, Santa Claus, for bringing your cheer. Please hurry back. We can't wait till next year.
Yeah, that was sick.
Amazing. I'm so glad they kept the gingerbread house a secret because
it was huge.
mine mind-blowing. That's the biggest I've ever seen.
It really was, and honestly, the respect to the 50th anniversary of Mansion.
Amazing.
Yeah, that
so good.
Really enjoyed that. So
I can't even.
So we made our way over to the Mint Julep Bar in New Orleans Square because it's, you know, it's right next door to Mansion, and it's appropriate. It's our breakfast.
It's tradition.
It is tradition to get.
Tradition is our mission to have all the beignets.
Pumpkin beignets, that
Pumpkin
is.
spice beignets.
Yes, Katie's doing the, you know, the standard
shake.
Ceremonial shake. Yeah.
Okay. Are you, oh my. Did you see that wall?
Yeah, I still see it. There's like puffs of beignet powder. Yeah.
Disneyland Limited, now arriving from a trip around Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom.
I think you've exhausted all the smoke there, but...
No, I saw some. This smells so good.
Oh. Cue angelic choir music.
The heavens are singing.
Yeah.
It is time, my friends.
If you had smell-o-vision, what would you smell?
It's pumpkin spice, ginger, cinnamon, and pumpkin.
Okay.
And then warm sweetness.
Okay.
Yeah. I waited all year for these. Second to candy cane beignets.
So you can get a 6-pack, but we got a 3-pack.
Yeah, because we're skinny.
Yeah.
And we have a lot of stuff to eat today.
That's true.
Okay, now another thing I want to show you.
What else did you get? Oh, look at that.
A travel mug for Halloween.
Good colors.
Did you see I kind of tried to sound like Jack a little bit?
Yeah, with the Halloween. Now we inflex there.
Look at that. And this was like
Mark Twain with the extended
$110.
whistle there.
I know.
Yeah, that's really good colors though. I like how they blocked it out.
I love it. And it's not a refillable one from what I understood.
It's just,
you don't care.
They'll fill it up for you one time and there you go.
And I'm happy. Cheers.
You gotta love the decorations at the French market. Look at that. That is amazing. It fits so perfectly. Kind of the New Orleans voodoo vibe. Amazing. The popcorn stand over here by Haunted Mansion in New Orleans Square has a lot of offerings. Look, you can get the Oogie Boogie light up popcorn bucket, like his face lights up this year. You can get the purple, what is that, Katie? What do you call that?
Poison apple cauldron.
Purple poison apple cauldron.
That's for annual pass holders.
Oh, that's the AP bucket. Okay.
Yes. And then down there is the regular.
The regular bucket with the purple top there, the Halloween bucket, as well as the Phineas from Haunted Mansion's 50th anniversary.
And then there's the little pumpkin one that lady's wearing right there. It has a face on it too there. You can see it.
Oh yeah, I showed that earlier.
Yeah.
The pumpkin.
That's another one.
It's got a little lineup cue to meet Jack and Sally, and there's like a little backdrop in there with some lighting. It's pretty cool. It's kind of a nice little courtyard area to do that in, so you can line up and get your Halloween shot with those two. All right, Frontierland. We're in Zocalo Park where they do the Dia de los Muertos setup. Sun is hitting it perfectly right now. And they've got a nice picture spot over here with the Zocalo Park sign. Disneyland, very festive. Get a big group shot up there. Looks good.
Love it. It's so colorful and pretty.
And then on this side, you've got the band shredding for Dia de los Muertos. Also in Frontierland, the Halloween tree, aka, what is it also called, Katie?
Ray Bradbury tree.
Correct, the Ray Bradbury tree.
I feel like there's a little less pumpkins right now.
I feel like there is too.
But maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. It does feel like there's a little less pumpkins.
Yeah, and then here's the plaque that describes what this is all about. On the night of Halloween 2007, this stately oak officially became the Halloween tree, realizing famed author Ray Bradbury's dream of having his symbol for the holiday become part of Disneyland.
Love it. That's so awesome.
So this thing at night is even better. So we're going to do a nighttime video, you guys.
Oh, you bet.
Of all the Halloween stuff. So you're going to want to watch that to see this thing in its glory. That was in stereo, Glory.
That was,
Glory
it was.
in stereo.
I love when we do that.
All right.
All right, let's get over to the hub and check out all the pumpkins there in the daytime.
What up, hub?
What up, hub?
Look, the foliage and the planters have been swapped out for the holiday fall colors, as well as here in the flower beds. Don't forget the partner statue with all its pumpkins. And look at these flowers are about to bloom. They're gonna time it just perfectly so that these things are in full bloom for the Halloween season. That's amazing. There goes the fire truck. Look, it's Halloween Steve.
Halloween Steve.
Yeah, he's in his full Halloween vibe. You feel it? It's a little different.
Yeah, definitely.
It's not a costumed themed thing. It's just like, he just has a Halloween vibe about him.
We have made our way to Main Street. I think now it's time that we take a closer look at all of the Halloween time decorations because there is so many.
Halloween, 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 now scream. He is the clown with the terrible face. Here in a flash and gone without a trace. I am the wind blowing from your hair. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Now scream. And there happenings everywhere. Life's no fun without a good scare. That's our job, but we're not mean. In our town of Halloween. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Now scream. In this town we call home. Everyone hail to the pumpkin song. Bum, 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 Halloween, bum, 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 Halloween, Halloween. It's our town. Everybody scream. In this town of
Up our first look at Disneyland.
Yes.
Halloween time. It's officially here.
It's here.
This is just the tip of the iceberg, like we say. So we are going to be coming back. We're going to show you what it looks like at night.
Yeah, we got a lot of videos to put out for Halloween. So.
Oh my gosh, we have so much coming at you. So if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. When you do, turn on those bell notifications. That way you know every time we go live and when we upload. If you want to support our channel, you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll link all the information in the description box below.
We will, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody. Yay powder. Yeah.